To follow along with this tutorial, I have provided a link to the images in the description. Okay, let's dive in. First off, select your layer, then hit Ctrl J on Windows or Command J on Mac to make a duplicate layer. Right click on the fresh layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now double click on that Smart Object layer to open it as a separate document. Now navigate to the image menu, go to Mode and opt for Lab Color. Next, click on the image menu again and select Apply Image. With this, a dialog box will pop up. From the channel drop-down, choose the B channel. And from blending mode, pick hard light. Once you are feeling good about it, hit OK. To lock in these changes, go to the File menu and choose Save. All set? Great. Close that document. Now let's do the big reveal. Check out the before and after by clicking on eye icon. The season has magically shifted to fall. Feeling like this is too much? No worries, you can tweak the harshness by adjusting the layer opacity. Perfect. Don't forget to write in the comments about today's video. This will help us to improve our content and deliver better results to you. And tell us what you want to see in the upcoming episodes. Till then, bye bye, take care.